Hello beautiful people, in this video I'll be sharing with you how to make carrot oil at home in a very quick and easy way. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, keep watching. To make the carrot oil, of course, you're going to be needing some fresh carrots. I have washed and cleaned this carrot. Ensure that your carrots are really clean and really fresh. So right now we're going to begin by slicing our carrot. You can also use a grater for this. You can also use a knife if that's what is comfortable for you, but ensure that you have really thin slices. You don't want to chop it into big chunks. You need really thin slices. Making sure that the slices are thin is going to enable it dry faster because you're going to be sun drying this. Once everything is well sliced like this, we're just going to spread it out on a tray, and then we're going to set this outside to sun dry it. It might take a day or two to be completely dried depending on the weather. This is after about 2 to 3 days of sun drying our carrots. As you can see, it is completely dried, and now we can move on to making our oil. I'll start by transferring my dried carrots into a bowl, and then after that, the next thing we're going to do is add some carrier oil. You can use any carrier oil of your choice, like coconut oil, olive oil, anyone is fine. I'm just going to give it a good mix and ensure that the carrot sits well in the oil. Just add enough oil to cover up the carrots. Now the next thing to do is to infuse this using the double boiling method. I'm going to drop my bowl in a pot of boiling water, and then the heat is going to help us get all we need from the carrots into the oil. We just need to get all those nutrients from the carrots into the oil. So I'll just drop it in a pot of boiling water and stir at intervals. If you're finding this video helpful, please make sure you hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel for more recipes. Now after about an hour of doing that, we're going to take it off the heat, and this is what it looks like. Now I'm just going to go ahead and sieve the oil. You need to separate the oil from the carrots. So I'm going to sieve this twice or 3 times until we get a really clear oil. If you like, you can also choose to leave the dried carrots in your oil. Now this is what the carrot oil looks like. It smells really nice and it looks nice as well. You can use this as a body oil or a hair oil, and you can also use this in making your body and hair products. Trust me, it's so amazing. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Bye.